Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by accepting the fundamental limitation. Apple Watch won't pair directly to an S23 Ultra. Once you know that, the first actionable step is to borrow or use an iPhone to perform the initial pairing and Apple ID setup. Make sure the watch is erased and at least half charged, and switch on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone. You do this because initial activation and the trust relationship are handled by Apple's ecosystem. Without it, full functionality won't be possible. Once you have an iPhone in hand, open the Watch app and choose Add Watch. Then hold the Apple Watch close and align the camera to the pairing animation. This creates the secure link. You must sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud and health permissions so settings, workouts, and messages sync correctly. If your watch supports LTE, activate the carrier plan now to let the watch operate independently of a phone. Make sure apps and watch faces finish syncing before moving on. Finish by confirming the watch is fully updated and that Apple ID sync completed. If you intended to use it with the S23 Ultra, know you can only access limited features via a cellular plan and basic Bluetooth peripherals, not full integration. If you must switch phones later, you cannot pair an Apple Watch to Android. Transfer requires an iPhone. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, update iOS/watchOS, and if needed, erase and retry pairing. This resolves most pairing and syncing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.